Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. There is an equation given over here. In the given equation, k is a constant. The equation has no solution. What is the value of k? Okay, so the information says in the equation, the given equation, k is a constant. Since k is a constant, then y has to be a variable. And also, the equation has no solution. That is, if I solve for y, solve for the variable y in this equation, I won't be getting any real value for y. So that because the equation has no solution, so our aim is to find the value of k. Anyways, let's solve for the variable y in the given equation. So for that, let me write the given equation as it is. That is 5ky negative 450 over 9 times y equals to 10. Actually, 450 is divisible by 9. That is 9 goes into 9 one times, 9 goes into 45 5 times, and also we have 1 0 here. Then I'm getting 5ky negative 50 y equals to 10. Okay, now what we can do is we can look at the numbers over here, 5, 50, 10. So all these three numbers have the greatest common divisor 5. So better we can divide the complete equation by 5 so that the numbers will become smaller. If the numbers become smaller, it will be easier for us to solve the equation. Okay, now let me divide the first term over here by 5 and the second term by 5 and third term by 5. So then this 5 will cancel and 5 goes into 5 one times, 5 goes into 50 10 times, 5 goes into 5 one times, and 5 goes into 10 2 times. So I'm getting ky negative 10y equals to 10. Okay, our aim is to solve for y, that is we have to isolate y. So now when I look at the terms on the left side over here, so ky and negative 10y, both of them have the greatest common divisor y. So since both the terms over here have the greatest common divisor y, we can factor y out. So if I factor y out, what do I get inside the parenthesis over here? So for that, what I have to do is I have to divide the terms of this expression by the one I factor, that is y. When I divide this ky by y, I'm just getting k. When I divide this negative 10y by y, I'm getting negative 10 equals to 2. Okay, now let me write the same equation here. That is y times k negative 10 equals to 2. Okay, since we are solving for y, we have to isolate y. For that, we have to get up this stuff k negative 10, which is multiplied by y. So for that, I divide both sides by k negative 10. Let me finish. Okay, so this k negative 10, k negative 10 will cancel. I'm getting y equals to 2 over k negative 10. Okay, so in the given equation, I have solved for the variable y. So I'm getting y equals to 2 over k negative 10. So according to the information, the equation has no solution. That means we won't be getting any real value for y. So like for what, and also we have to find the value of k. So now in this equation, for what value of k, so we don't get any solution for y. If k equals to 10, what will happen? If k equals to 10, the denominator over here will become 0 because 10 minus 10 is 0. In any fraction, if the denominator is 0, then the value of the fraction is undefined. That is, the value of y is undefined. So that is, if k equals to 10, the value of y is undefined. Let me finish writing. So if y is undefined, then the equation has no solution. So when the given equation has no solution, the value of k is 10.